oak groves, and a lot of the big thing here to do is people come out with their golf carts or their bikes and their dogs at sunset and park here and watch the sunset over the river, which is usually this time of year right down in here.
Awesome.
It's beautiful. You can walk. Your dogs love coming back here. Bring your favorite adult beverage. Snack.
Lots of picnic tables. So that's the Caloosahatchee.
Yes. And if you are a boat fan, this is the connection from, you can go from the Gulf to the Atlantic on this river. There's locks after what's the big lake? It's escaping me. Starts with an O.
Okeechobee?
Okeechobee, thank you. Gosh. Yeah, that's the Okeechobee.
Oh, this is beautiful here. And you were saying before I started the video about the kayaking here is really nice.
Yes, it's really nice to go on the river. You'll find little inlets you can go explore. Some of the river benders like to water ski on the river.
There's a nice boardwalk right here.
Yeah, that is River Landings. So that is
It's
new
a
community.
community
coming
next
up.
door?
Yes.
Okay. So that's not part of RiverBend.
No, but they're generally friendly relationship. Like there's sometimes we'll share events together. Mostly, they're just emerging. Their price points is significantly higher. To get in a lot's like $250, and then you have to build a house.
Oh wow. Okay.
Your total all-in price there is $700 to $800.
Okay, but it's a motor coach community as well.
Exactly right. Yeah, and hopefully
they're just building. They're not up and running full force yet.
they don't. Yeah, they're not.
Oh, you
Not
got a
quite
little
there yet.
bamboo collection there. Invasive, but cool.
Is it invasive?
Yeah,
It is invasive.
yeah.
So I probably
It looks like they have it pretty well contained there, though.
should- Yeah.
It's usually what people do around here is they don't try to fight it; they contain it.
Okay.
So they put in stakes into the ground so that it travels by root. So then the roots can't travel. So that's why it looks like it's a nice little round thing. I'm sure if you go down in the dirt, you'll see there's
Amazing.
metal braces all the way around.
Amazing.
Yeah, containing the bamboo. I actually don't know a ton about vegetation, but I went on a tour in the Korshan Park. Have you been down there yet? Yeah, you guys would like it. You should head down there sometime. It's in Bonita Springs. And got this great park area though. This is open to everybody.
It's great.
There's only a tiny bit of hiking in the Korshan Park. It would take you like 5 minutes. Yeah, probably. It's more like 15, but I mean it's really not. It's not like a serious hiker place, but they give you a lot of good background and stuff. There's like little tours and stuff that support it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna wrap this one up and start the next